And the markets go pop. Dow up 123 points. Bull flag is in full force. All major indices in bullish territory, with the Nasdaq up more than 1%, 1.2%. US dollar slightly down, but banks and financials are laggy compared to the other major indices. Crude oil up 0.65%, gold higher, silver higher, and VIX, the fear, decreasing by more than 5%. Here we are looking at the S&P 500 ETF exchange traded fund called the SPDR, giving us a great barometer of what's happening there in the markets. And today we had a big gap higher. Boom! Buy is on. Bull flag breakout on decent volume, but not huge volume. The diamonds I could not put a buy on, and here's why. Even though we popped higher, we smashed right into resistance. Resistance here, here, third point, here's our fourth point. It hit. As soon as we touched that, sellers came in. Nasdaq, put a buy, triangle breakout, boom, to the upside. Small caps, Russell's 2000, could not and will not put a buy on this one because we're at support, 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 support broken, and now acting as resistance. At one point we broke over it, and then people sold into that strength and came right back down. Banks, I'm expecting that to go higher, and that we could do that. We have an inverted hammer reversal pattern here at a support line. So guys, look for the banks to pop tomorrow. Financials, same thing. Looking pretty nice. Little mini me bull flag on the financials. This could go higher. And when I say financials, I'm looking at XLF right there. The D stands for daily. That's, I'm looking at a daily chart. US dollar down, down, and down. Crude oil popped up, but people sold into that strength. Gold popped higher, but people sold into that strength. Stayed above an area of support. That's important coming across right there. Silver popped up, and people sold in. So, this is actually an evening star on a bear pullback, so this could reverse pretty quickly. I did not want to see this sort of, I wanted to see big white candlesticks growing. I'm not seeing that there. Quick look at tech stocks. Oh, before I do that, this is life-changing. It does come with a tuition. If you're ready to invest in yourself. If you're ready to be disciplined, highly disciplined, and you're ready to do trading the right way for the first time in your life, get your trading foundation put in place. Your shortcut is a mentorship. I'm going to be telling our story, why we put it together, what we do in our mentorship, so you just have all the facts to see if you can join us this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and a Monday, and or sometime in the future. Just go to this website, groktrade.com/MTM, meet the mentor. And if you registered and you can't make it tomorrow night, this is your last chance actually. If you cannot make it, at least get registered. We'll make sure you get a recording of it. And yep, there it is. There it is. There it is. We're going to go to Grok Tech Stocks. All right. Let's look for some big ones. Baba up more than 2%. Boom. We called it a buy back here on July 5th. And it is up quite a bit since then. Wow, 2% run. eBay up 2%. Called it a buy back here on July 10th. Up. Looking very nicely. Actually, I'm going to pull a fit or a trend line here. This was a triangle breakout a couple days ago. Oh, Facebook called it a buy back here on July 7th, and boom, look at this, man. Facebook is on fire. Big volume. We have earnings coming up, guys. Be careful with that. Google called it a buy a few days ago, but we're at resistance. Really be careful with Google if you're holding it. Google, be very careful. Well, this one broke resistance. Alphabet, Google with the L actually broke resistance. That's pretty good. GoPro, called it a buy today because it popped over this resistance line. Been expecting that to go higher, and I think there's the move. Wish I saw more volume. Not there. Microsoft today I did a buy because it broke the triangle, so that's very cool. Nvidia is up 4%. Called it a buy back on July 7th, and it boom, 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 just smashing resistance levels. Guys, man, Nvidia is looking good. Oracle, called it a buy back here on the 7th. We go higher. PayPal, called it a buy here on the 5th. Higher, but we're at resistance. This could be a sell now on PayPal. Red Hat, called it a buyback here on the 7th. We go higher, but we're in a rising wedge. Be careful with it. Snap, called it a sell, and we actually draw out of all the techs, okay? Out of all the techs, I called one sell, and that's the one that dropped 1.5% when everybody else was up more than 1%, if not 3 to 4%. Think about the odds of that. Think about the odds of what I just showed you on these calls. Guys, listen, my nature is not to blow sunshine up my own skirt. Okay, that's not my nature. I do want you to understand that these signals that I put on here, good or bad, they stay. I hit some, I hit some really, I mean, I've got some just killer winners here. Killer winners. And this is on Apple, most traded, most liquid stock out there. 19 years it has taken me to learn this. And for a person to trade without taking at least a good close look at what we have to offer is negligent at best. I'm trying to help you, okay? That's all I'm trying to do. Trying to help you. So give it some serious thought. Hope we can help you. Catch you later. Like if you like it.